How to upload high quality stories on Instagram. So go directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you directly here to your home page. Now, all you have to do is to go to your bottom part. You will see home, search bar, a plus icon, the reels, and then your profiles. Tap on your profile icon there. And then on the upper right, you will see the burger sign there. Tap on that and go to settings. Now here on settings, what I want you to do next is to go to your account, and here you will see different options. I want you to go to data usage. It's under sharing to other apps here, and you may want to turn off or toggle off the useless cellular data here, and then up toggle on the upload at highest quality, so that whenever, let's say, you're using your mobile data to post your story, it's still on highest quality. And so with upload at highest quality here. And basically, that is how you upload high quality stories on Instagram. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Instagram application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.